quick little how-to install on these apron grill covers. You see this one's installed nice and snug. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to install a small zip tie on the ends, one of these and one right in here. Let me show you what it looks like on this installation. So right here you can see there's a zip tie right there on that end, and there's a little zip tie right over here on this end. Also, just to keep them so they won't vibrate or anything, I have just a little bit of silicone in the gap right in here. Just a touch of silicone where it meets, kind of down in this little groove right in here. I just put a little bit of silicone in here, and it keeps it from vibrating or anything. But that's all you really need. You don't need any screws or anything. So if you buy one of these off of eBay, I'm selling these on eBay for $30 if you buy a set. I'll go ahead and include a couple of zip ties so that you can do a really easy installation on those. They're really easy. It doesn't take many tools. This is just plastic. It's real easy to make a hole in it. The only reason why I haven't already put a hole in it for you is I don't know that every apron has exactly the same thickness, and so if I were to pre-cut it, then it might not fit. So it's really easy to drill through plastic, though, if you want to use a drill, or you can even just use a hot nail, and it will go right through it. So that's how to install these apron covers. You find them on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. That's all I got today. Cheers.